What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we've got another fire skipping tutorial, and we'll be using this thing, all right? Trust me, this one's gonna be a banger. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. Right, today we have a very unique drill, one that I've been using with my clients for over 6 years now, 7 years when I first started in the game, and this one is going to improve your footwork. Okay, so we're using what is here a 15 kg medicine ball, right? You don't need to use something that's so weighty. It could be a 5 kg or 10 kg. You could use even maybe a football or soccer ball, wherever you're watching this from, and you can also, to be fair, do this like imagination wise. You don't even need to have this, but it's a really good feature to use, right, for this drill. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that you guys can touch this ball as you're skipping, right? So whilst you're in the middle of your skips, you give this a little touch. So let's say we're doing this without the rope, okay? So I'm here with my rope, touch, 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 little boxer step, and then in the middle of your skips, it's just boom, little touch here with your toe, boom, just on the soles of your feet or on your balls of your feet, just like this. The reason why I'm using a kind of heavier ball here, the 15 kg ball, which you guys can buy from any kind of gym shop or Amazon. Again, if you don't have access to one, you can kind of just try and do this as an imagination sort of, or kind of like an air touch, okay? So this is how it's gonna look with your rope. Let's say we're here and you're just here with your boxer step, nice and simple. Give it a little glance if you need to, and then touch. And what we're trying to learn here, touch, is really how to understand where your rope is in your revolution, okay? So when you get good at it, it's just touch, touch, touch. And you're probably watching this and being like, Rush, this looks mad easy. And that's a good thing, because that's what this is all about, right? This is about trying to make the difficult things look easy and making sure that when it comes to your footwork, guys, the timing, the precision, the accuracy is on. Why this also works well as a drill is it sharpens up your reflexes, your balance, because that little movement there, the little touch, you're now having to skip on one leg for a brief moment, touch it, bring it back. Another cool thing about this drill, peeps, is you don't want to be standing too far away from the ball, right? So you're just stretching here, that's going to look a little bit awkward, and actually it's not the feeling that we want. And alternatively, if it's too close to you, then obviously the ball will get in the way of the rope and it's not going to really work. So if you give yourself a good bit of distance, so here I've probably got like 1 foot of space, is that it's going to allow you now to bring your elbows in. You have a more narrow rope angle. You don't go kind of too wide, because then it kind of feels a bit too close to the ball. So you're a bit more narrow, bring your elbows in, and it's just a little touch to the side. So it doesn't look like you're sort of stretching, and alternatively, you're not too close to the ball where it's like getting in the way, okay? So make sure you got the space of the ball and your feet done correctly. If you guys want to really spice things up, if it feels too easy for you, try this one, all right? This one's a little advanced style of this same move, same position, right? In the boxer step, boom, you're gonna flick it, like that. Just behind your body. Now you're touching the ball, imagine with kind of your toe nail instead of the soles of your feet. Miss the ball there. Sometimes you might miss it. Continue. And it's just like a really nice way of getting this move done. If you want to spice it up even more, guys, right? Last variation, you can actually do that first one where you touch it with your left, but now we're gonna touch, 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 touch. This tutorial was just about explaining this drill. Give it a go. Hopefully it works for you. It's been working with me and my clients, like I said, for years and years. And this game is all about footwork, guys. I've always said it before. Footwork is king. So once you guys get these fundamentals down, get your footwork, your timing, your balance, all these good stuff, then you'll be building the right blocks in order to get to those power moves that I know you guys would love to learn. So if you like this one, give it a big thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me. Help this community grow, get this video out to more and more people. The goal is to try and get as many of you flying like bosses out there. And I already know that a lot of my subscribers and people behind this camera are doing that. So again, thanks for the support. Go cop the ropes down below. And yeah, we've got you covered as always, man. Nova, remember, is coming out very, very soon. We also have a Nova testing day right here at Fly City, March the 18th. We've got a link as well, again, where you can sign up, put your name down to enter the ballot. So guys, until next time, we're gonna do it all again. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.